Hello investors! Here's our technically speaking trade ideas and commentaries for the week.
The PSEi rallied for 4 straight days, moving against the weakness of its global peers. The rally brought the local benchmark out of the downtrend channel we previously identified in our forecasted bull case scenario in last week's technically speaking commentary. However, the 4-day rise was cut short in last Friday's trading as the PSEi encountered some resistance close to its 100-day simple moving average. With this market move, it is confirmed that short-term bearish target of 5,700 is already invalidated. Looking at the indicators, MACD and RSI, the PSEi seems to be headed for a correction this week up to the 6,200 area before it can continue with its upward rally.
For this week's trade ideas, we're featuring
September Trade Recap. For the month of September, we featured a total of 6 trade ideas. Out of these, 4 became live for the month. We realized gains on GT Cap, while FB, Costco, and SSI incurred losses. Despite registering paper losses, our trade idea on FB remains live and we still see rally potential for the stock. The remaining 2 stocks, MEG and Glow, continue to be in our monitoring list as their buy prices are not yet triggered for a buy action. In peso value, if our trade ideas were equally allocated 10,000 pesos each, we would tally a net gain of 333 pesos, and this translates to a 0.83% gain on invested capital of 40,000 pesos, assuming that all positions were sold by market close of September 29. Despite a low win rate of 25% and underperforming the PSEi's actual performance in September, the return of our trade ideas still outperformed the PSEi's performance throughout the duration when our trade ideas were live, as well as the index's year-to-date returns.
Like these ideas? Take action and log into your BDO Securities account today. If you're a newer investor or trader, be sure to also check out our educational content on our website and our social media channels.